Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to honor your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty, dirty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will go ahead and pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. I have an order at 48 here for a put. I'm looking to do options. Okay, in there at 48 and out for $50 in the blink of an eye. Options, if you're not familiar with what I mean by that, let me know in the comment section. Just put guide, please, and I'll link you to a free class that I put together called The Big Basics of Options, and it will walk you through terminology and just the basic components of it to make all this stuff make more sense. Options kind of have a reputation sometimes of being overly complicated. And they can be complicated, don't get me wrong, but they don't have to be complicated, and I take more of a simplistic approach to them. So if that's somebody that sounds like you, where you like to take more so a simplified approach to things, then I'm confident the guide will help you out, and you'll be able to understand all this a lot better when I'm saying, I'm trading options. So like I said, just let me know, comment section, guide please, and I will link you to it. But there we go. So starting off the day with a real quick $50. I will pause. Okay, going to try to pick up a call here at 47, and I got that. So call at 47. Have an order at 47.50 and out for another quick $50. Very good. 9:35, 5 minutes in, already up $100. I'll take that. I will go ahead and pause. All right, going to try for a put here at 45.50. Go ahead and take that out. We'll try 44.50. It gets up there. I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, going to try for, got that at 43.50, a put that is. Going to put at 43.50. And out for another quick $50. All right, I will go ahead. Did I hit record? I did hit record. Okay, I'll go ahead and pause. All right, going to go for a call here at 39.10. All right, I'll cancel it out now. Let's go back to my original plan at 37.70 and just look for a breakdown now at this point. I will go ahead and pause. Okay, I might have missed the entry point. Got in at 43.50 for a put. And out for another $50. I don't quite think I hit the record, but it just shot up there so fast. I might have missed the entry point, but at least I got the exit. All right, well, I will be ready for another one if it wants to come up a bit more. I will go ahead and pause. So there we go, another very, very fast $50 trade. I think every single one of my trades so far has been less than at least 10 seconds, maybe even less than 5, but I guess I don't know that for sure, but pretty confident less than 10 seconds. But all right, there's another one. So just picking up $50 bills right now. I have an order at 45.50 here for a call. try 45. Actually, I like that better. What is that? 30. So yeah, 43.50. Try 43.50. See if the price wants to come down a bit more. I'll go ahead and pause for now. Okay, maybe here. Again, I'm at 43.50. All right, got to go to 42.50 now. Actually, I don't like how that's tightening up. Those spreads are a little bit rough. Let's try another strike price, see if that helps out at all too. Yeah, that's better. Okay, those strikes. Okay, I'll pause for now, but yeah, I'm going to stick up here at this new strike price. Have an order at 35.50 here. Nope, that's should be more so 34.50. For a put, looking to play what I think to be a dead cat bounce here. All right, I'll pause. All right, well, here's the status of things. I have 8 minutes left, and then I just want to be done. I'm looking to try to cap things around 90 minutes, so I can just move on with my day. I'm not doing this so I can sit here glued to my computer for the entire day long. I do this because I want freedom of time, and this is only a side hustle for me, one stream of income. Because again, at this point in my life, I just want freedom of time. I don't need to make a Lamborghini. I don't need to make private jet type money. But if I can throw a few $100 in my pocket within 90 minutes working at home in my robe right now, I will gladly take it. So I would like to get up over $200 though. And I'm at 200 right now, but with commissions, I'm actually down below there. So I got 8 minutes left to try to find something. And the potential is here, but I also have to be careful not to just force something for the sake of getting over $200, because if I don't get over $200 and I'm at 190 or whatever I am at right now with commission. So yeah, probably right around 190. I mean, not the end of the world, but like I said, so 3 minutes left now. We'll see if I can hit the goal. All right, I'm going to risk $100 here. Try to get in at 45. Well, I should see the theoretical risk is $100. No. My entry point's off a little bit. That's the thing with options. Sometimes where you think the price is going to be on the chart, the option contract price is a little different. So 45 was actually not quite right. All right, I'll pause. 4 minutes left. All right, here we go. 44.50. See if I can get in at. Nope, don't like how it's just hesitating there. Now it feels like if I were to get filled, it's because it's blowing up through that level. Yeah, just putzing around here. Not sure I would have been filled anyways. I do realize it came back down, but you saw I was on the bid. It was not getting filled. I didn't see any action that would have implied I would have been filled anyways. And right now, it really feels like I'm skirting the territory of just forcing a trade because I've set up this kind of this narrative of, oh, I only got 8 minutes left. So right now in my mind, I was like, I got 1 minute left. Let's find a trade. Like I said, really setting myself for a forced trade here for the sake of the video. So I got to be careful of that because the YouTube video or the YouTube voice is a very, very real thing. All right, I'll pause. All right, and that's all she wrote. So I'll take it and move on with my day. So yeah, I didn't quite hit my goal by $10, but that's okay. I'll survive. And just going to move on. So like I said, I'm not a full-time trader. I'm a part-time trader, multiple streams of income. I have real estate, my trading, have investments, have claytrader.com, my teaching business. So many streams of income. I encourage you to do the same. Every wealthy person I've ever studied has multiple streams of income. And that's what it's all about, at least in my opinion, freedom of time. I want to be able to do what I want with my family, stuff like that. So I'm not after the Lamborghini. If you're after the Lamborghini, then cool, go for it. I hope you get it. But that's just not where I'm at right now. And as the price starts to behave, is this going to be finally something that can be worked with? All right, I'm going to pause and I'll keep a close eye on it. I'll give it a couple more minutes. Nope, I can feel it. I'm just trying to talk myself into a trade. So that's all I have for you. If you enjoy these live trade videos, hit the like button, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.